But cash is trash after all. Crypto is king, so you better have your cash in crypto. I'll probably have some fun spending them though. We'll see. Yeah, guys, I just wanted to hopefully remind you what it feels to be financially free and to do whatever the fuck you want. And soon I'll be able to quit my job and I'll be able to travel as I dreamed of, and I'll be able to do everything what I want. What better than that? If you want to um, do, if you want to follow my footsteps, and if you want to basically use proven strategies and proven ways to legally um, pay less tax or no tax, and basically anything money related and anything related to shortcuts and financial independent, financial freedom, um, being able to live the lifestyle you want, to spend your time with who you want, and do the things you like, you love, instead of be slaving for money. Guys, you need to be making money working for you instead of you working for money. Remember that. Don't you ever dare working for money. It's just pointless. Your time is precious. Money and cash is trash. It can only buy you things. Don't chase money. Chase money only so that you can make them work for you and then have passive incomes, or at least, you know, with a lot less effort and a lot less, um, you know, like physical work and so on and so forth, make a lot more money for a lot less time, and don't have the boss sitting behind your neck and like basically rushing you to do the schedule, to finish on time, to work faster depending on what kind of job you are. Don't slave for money, guys. Be financially free. It's not about the money, it's the financial freedom to not care about money, to not give a fuck about money, to be able to spend as much as you want. That doesn't have to mean that you're gonna do it. Don't be like completely irresponsible with your money and things like that. Well, if you want, you can, but it's your choice. But yeah, don't be restricted. If you want to do something and it's kind of related, and most of the things, let's be honest, are related to money. So don't be restricted by money. That's all I'm asking for. Try to live your life on your own terms, not on the terms of the government or the terms of the economy and everything similar. Don't ever be like slave to the system, slave to the inflation, hyperinflation soon. We're almost in it. We're probably in it. Um, don't slave to taxes. Don't slave to the common way of thinking and just not your 9 to 5 and your security. There is no security, guys. It's all fake. Any moment, any given moment, you can be hit by a car on the street. Any given moment, you can lose your job. That nothing is safe. The only safe thing is to invest in in yourself, in your mind, in your brain power, in your habits, building 1% mentality habits, which are correlated to things which make you more money in less time, more efficiently, smart, and following the big money, the big chunk of money, the big changes, the big trends, like Netflix just replaced DVDs in cities and all kinds of physical stuff with just digital. Everything is going digital. If you haven't woken up to that, just you better woke up. You better wake up. It's about time. It's about goddamn time. Wake up. Everything is going digital, and at the same time, more and more people are poor and are getting poorer, and the rich are getting richer. And the reason for that is just the way you think, the way you act, and the way you fail, but not choosing not to go on. Failure is only a way to learn what doesn't work, and you need to start working in another kind of way and find new ways to make things work. The virus hit, and what happened? I just found more ways to make money, unless not just like wait for my boss to pay me and things like that. Just make sure you never ever slave for money, and I'm gonna make sure that my followers, my subscribers, at least know everything what I know, and from there on it's up to you guys. But all I can do is teach you what I know, and what you do with that information is up to you. Always go to your financial advisor and ask him as well, him or her, but and do your own research. But just be open for new ideas. Don't close yourself up. Don't limit yourself. Be limitless. Don't let habits and whatever and whatnot, limit you. Don't let anyone or anything limit you. Don't let yourself limit yourself, which is the most is the biggest limit what you can put. It's yourself limiting yourself. That's the biggest limit what you can get in life, and that's most common what I see left and right. And I was the same. I know, because I walked on the same path as 99% of the people, and I changed and I moved to the 1% path, and everything changed, guys. Absolutely freaking everything changed. Everything changed. Freaking everything changed. I'll be able to do more and more stuff sooner, very soon. We'll see what happens, but for now things are going absolutely crazy nice, crazy good, unbelievably crazy. I didn't expect it to be so quick. Mind you, it took like 11 years to get to the point where I'm almost retired, but like it's very slow until you learn, and when you learn things, when you don't know how to solve problems, but when you know exactly what to do, guys, it gets so quick. When you know what to do, it gets so quick. And if you follow your knowledge, if you put your knowledge into work, it gets so quick, so freaking quick, amazingly quick. I started following rich people, wealthy people, 1% of the world, and everything changed for me, everything. And I'm paying loads of information. It's getting more and more every month, and I'm investing in multiple stuff. But I'll be keeping you in the loop. You won't need to pay £500, £1,000 and more for information, guys. You could be paying $5.99 and still get that kind of value, because I'll be having loads of people following me, and I'll be able to spread the cost instead of every single one of us paying the cost of the stuff I need to pay every month and every year. I could be paying it, and we can be spreading it between us. That's the way to do it. You need to unite yourself with like-minded people to be able to achieve bigger goals with more ease. Why is like 1,000 or 10,000 people need to be paying the same kind of information? Why it's just not the case where one guy is doing the work and the research and everything, and we can split it between us, and I can give you the most important stuff that I've been learning, and basically feed you that information, and we can go from there. I need to go, but I'll see you soon.